This is an exercise to strengthen and improve the control of your scapular upward rotators. In the sport of climbing, we do a lot of pulling and depressing of the shoulder girdle as we advance through holds. That strengthens the rhomboids and the latissimus, which both pull the scapula down in this direction. So this is an exercise to counteract the effect of that and maintain a balanced and properly positioned scapula and ball and socket joint. So you're going to use some resistance band. You're going to hold that in your hand and allow it to run underneath of your arms and on the inside of your arms on both sides. You're going to place your hands at the wall. You're going to make sure that your hips are on top of your heels and that your head and neck are nice and neutral with your chest up under your chin. So you're just trying to hold good posture alignment through your upper body without throwing your hips forward. So from there, you'll go ahead and slide your arms up the wall into the shape of a V, pressing away from the band. From there, you'll add a little bit of torsion through the arms, wrapping the shoulder blades around your body, and then slowly lower down. You want to do this through a pain-free range of motion. So if you are doing this for shoulder pain, you may want to limit your range to here, and then pull the scapula around. If you're doing this for injury prevention, and for maintenance of an old injury, go through the full range and make sure you hold at the end of the motion. The first set of this exercise, you're doing for control. You want to make sure that you're paying attention to the movement of the scapula and that you're not forcing the shoulder into too much flexion, which can jam the rotator cuff into the ceiling of the acromion. The second set of the exercise, you're going to add one extra piece of the motion if your shoulder is not painful with this, where you lock in the elbows and then you lift the hands away from the wall, getting the scapula to tip backwards and upwardly rotate more. Holding for 3 seconds, bringing your hands back to the wall and lowering down again. You'll do 15 to 20 repetitions each set, working on the control of the serratus wrapping around the rib cage and the lower trapezius, pulling the scapula back.